Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Koketsu, also known as Angelo. Welcome if you're new. If you've been here before, thank you for tuning in again.
Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got everything on the vibe that I make.
There we go. There's an announcement that I do not understand, and I hope you guys can hear me. So currently, I am on my way to Kobe. You know, Kobe beef, Kobe Bryant. That's where we're going this time around. I am in Tsuruga, where yeah, I had to ask around if I'm on the right train because there are no assistants when you are switching trains. And so my Japanese came in handy. That's all two sentences that I could put together. The train is stopped. So I want to be that person. Let's go.
Feel the blood high when you're on my.
Made it to Kobe and now I'm gonna go check in and then I'm gonna get on to my first activity, hopefully grab lunch because I haven't had lunch. First impressions of Kobe: it is much smaller than Osaka, much smaller than Tokyo, but it is much bigger than Fukui. It is also one of the most commonly well-known cities in Japan. It kind of just overflows from Osaka, like how Pretoria overflows from Johannesburg, or Johannesburg overflows from Pretoria, whichever way. It's one of those. But it is definitely a new prefecture called Hyogo. So, new city, new prefecture, and let's see what it has to offer. This is definitely the type of hostel that I'm used to. It reminds me of hostels in like small towns in South Africa, like towns like Coffee Bay, like Port Elizabeth. Well, Port Elizabeth is not a small town, but it doesn't have a lot of modern hostels, but it reminds me of those type of vibes. Right now I am going to the Herb Garden. I'm quite hungry because I could all find food at Osaka Station, but I decided against that. So now I'm gonna go to the Herb Garden and hopefully I get food there. They close very early, so I'm hoping I make it in time. So let's go. I'm here, ne? But I want to get to the waterfalls, and it looks like I have to hike to get to the waterfalls, and I don't feel like doing that. Okay, fine. I want to get to the herb garden, but I see the cable car is moving from here all the way there, and I'm here. How do I get there? Because there's no connection. Hi, Bulanja. I certainly there's no plan on hiking, but I don't go to the gym this morning. But I have no intentions of doing this. Man, me, what I wanted was a roadway. Why are you breathing funny? That is the paperway I'm supposed to be using. Naki in Barle waterfall. Aki won't leave on a waterfall. I'm here, but I need to be up there. I don't know how to get there. Ah, guys. I need to go back to the start. I was supposed to go the other way, which I should have seen, but I thought I knew better. Turns out I got off at the wrong station. I was supposed to get off at a station before the one that I got off at. Well, I guess the floor was part of the day tour, but what I was keen on was the herb garden. Herb. That's what influence American England. Okay, I was supposed to get off a station before, so I'm now back to civilization and making my way there. Me, Hidari, Masumu, Kita. Kira what? Duga pants. Keywords and then itako pants ako pay. Guys, I want to cry because wow, this man that helped me is so kind. He was cycling, he was getting onto his bike when I asked him for the way. And a few minutes later, he comes cycling my way to come see if I understood the directions. And then he stops by me and then he directs me further. He's like, yeah, second traffic light, to the traffic lights before me, you go up. And then I'm like, oh wow, thank you. And then he cycles further. And then when he gets to the point where I'm supposed to go up these stairs, he points out from his bike and then he looks back to see if I can see him pointing for me. Oh my gosh, I feel like crying. That is so kind of him. But I made it. I'm here. Oh, that is so nice. I appreciate that. Oh my gosh, I finally made it onto the roadway. Oh, the beautiful view of Kobe behind me. I could gym lanta, I could gym gymming and pelage. Do you guys see that? I was down there. You see the curry powder on top, but I was hoping it's spicy. It's not. Looks like Hyogo metric dance. Vaya ustroy. Kile lebo na mar. Ngile bo ni look. The herbs in my edible flowers, the plants that you can cook with. Utloleta we ro na ro no apia upila o tjeki 6 gun every beef 6 gun every pork 6 gun every 6 gun o tjentjitse ke o tjetse raja ke joke mara ke serious since vele o rinyana, you know, tjatji le lengwe nkile wa bona no shapa surprise e se mo re go ija wena ntongwe le ngwe o dur nando sauce peri ha akhutshisha dihlaha man. How?
Daughter's wedding.
Oh, nice. So you used mimosa.
My sister has mimosa in the garden, in her garden.
That's very nice. I'm sure it was very beautiful. Yeah. So another lady came up to me do you like mimosa? I'm thinking, girl, you want us to go on drinking mimosas? Hell yeah, I love mimosas. She's like, I'm like, mimosa? And she's like, oh, this flower, it's called mimosa. It's a French flower, French tree. And she said she made a bouquet for her daughter's wedding using these. But I was like, oh, you want us to go drink mimosas? Hell yeah, let's go.